My little friends, let's learn together.
A for alligator, snapping with delight. B for bear, who sleeps at night.
C for cat, so quick and spry.
D for dolphin, leaping high.
E for elephant, big and strong.
F for flamingo, dancing all day long. G for giraffe, so tall and neat. H for horse, with hooves so fleet.
I for iguana, in the sun so bright. J for jaguar, speedy in flight. K for kangaroo, jumping so high. L for lion, king of the sky. M for monkey, swinging so free. N for newt, as small as can be. O for owl, who hoots at night. P for penguin, in black and white.
Q for quail, so tiny and quick. R for rabbit, with a jump and a kick. S for squirrel, climbing up trees. T for tiger, running with ease.
U for urchin, hiding in the sand.
V for vulture, soaring so grand.
W for wolf, howling at the moon. X for x-ray fish, spotted in the lagoon.
Y for yak, so furry and strong. Z for zebra, prancing along.